Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, I will be presenting case study of network security DFN 40143. So here we got the network diagram. Here we have four parts. Identify the device, explain the device in detail. Three is propose the network diagram. And lastly, predict and illustrate IPS to detect malicious traffic flow. So here we go to the background. A signature is a set of rules that an IDS and IPS use to detect typically instruction activity. There are four types of detection in IPS, which are pattern-based detection, anomaly-based detection, policy-based detection, and honeypot-based detection. Based on the network diagram given, identify suitable place to install the implement and IPS device for the network upgrade. Explain the device in details and then propose the upgrade network diagram. Use packet tracer to design the diagram and also to predict and illustrate IPS flow to detect the malicious traffic. Coming part 1, that is identify the device. Student can add any device based on requirement. So we go to this diagram. As you can see, we got 4 laptop, 4 workstation, and then 2 switch, 2 router, and then 2 server. In this untrust network, I will add another router and another laptop for this untrust network. As you can see here, we got for the total laptop is 5, server got 2, switch 2960 iOS 15 is 2, and Cisco 1941 ISR router is 2. Next part is explain the device in detail. Device brand, device model, and device function. So here, for the laptop, here we got device brand is Lenovo, device model is ThinkPad E15 Gen 3, and the device function is workstation with high performance computer system that is specifically designed for a single user and has advanced graphic capabilities, large storage capacity, and a powerful central processing unit. And another laptop for untrust network that we will add, that is device brand is Acer, device model is Acer Aspire 5, device function is device that will attack network have a good Wi-Fi card employing the AC wireless port. Important for getting into WEP secure networks or vulnerabilities. Next is router. Device brand is Cisco. Device model is Cisco 1941 ISR router. The device function is consolidate the function of separate device into a single compact system that can be remotely managed and supports a wide range of wireless and wired connectivity options. Next is for server. The device brand is Cisco and the device model Business Edition 6000M, and the function is to access, hold and transfer all files and data from other computer machine over the computer network. Lastly is switch. The device brand is Cisco, device model is Cisco Catalyst 2960. Device function is integrate security, including network admission control (NAC), advanced quality of service (QoS), and resiliency to delivery intelligent service for the network edge. Next part is propose the network diagram for upgrading. Design the network diagram. So here we got physical diagram. Here we have 4 workstation, 2 switch, 2 router, and 2 web server. And here on Trust Network, we will put 1 router and another one. So here for logical diagram, as you can see here is the corporate network. And the network is 192.168.1.0. And for server farm, we got this network 192.168.2.0. And here, as you can see, untrust network 192.168.12.0. We got 1 router and another 1 laptop. So based on the question here, based on the network diagram given, identify suitable place to install, implement an IPS device for the network upgrade. So in my recommend, I will install the IPS in this router R1, and because it was in the middle, so contrast network will contact R1 first and then R2. So for the safety, we'll put the IPS in here. So untrust network cannot access this both network, corporate network and server farm. Next is predict and illustrate the flow of IPS traffic to detect malicious traffic. Predict IPS to detect malicious traffic. So for my predict, laptop here attacker go to R4 and then go to R1, and then we will go back to R4 and attacker. It because the IPS already installed in here, and then the router will send the report to R2 and then go to this forward station to tell that this network was hacking this router, but it blocked. They will corporate network will be aware of the security here, and yes, after that we will verify the IPS here. show IP IPS all. As you can see here, we configure the IPS in R1. The IPS name is iOS IPS, and interface G00 is outgoing IPS, role is iOS IPS. The category iOS IPS basic, retire is false, and the category other category is retire to true. I wish I can show you the flow of this, that the attacker will be blocked by here, but the other workstation can know that the network of 192.168.12 is about to hack in this router. So yeah, I wish I can show you the flow, but I won't be able to do the configuration. And yeah, I'm sorry about that. But that's all in case study network security. Thank you.